Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to study maths from 0 level, updated. Begin by choosing one topic like arithmetic and practice basic operations until they feel automatic. Use real examples such as budgeting or measuring to make ideas stick. Schedule 20 to 30-minute sessions and gradually increase difficulty. Track progress with short quizzes and revisit weak spots quickly to build confidence and avoid frustration. Start with number sense and fractions, then move to factors, multiples, and basic equations. Break topics into manageable chunks and focus on understanding why methods work, not just how. Use drawings, manipulatives, and apps for visual reinforcement. Solve a variety of problems to recognize patterns and common techniques. Review mistakes calmly and redo problems until procedures become fluent, which makes advanced topics much easier later on. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more maths tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Consider Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty for comfy hours studying. They keep your feet happy during long problem sets and help you focus. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Practice deliberately with problems slightly above your comfort level and review older material regularly. Keep a notebook of solved problems and note the steps you use to reach each solution. Join study groups or forums to ask questions and explain ideas to others, which deepens understanding. Balance speed and accuracy by timing some practice sets, then analyze errors to improve methods and reduce careless mistakes over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.